Instruction in the art of pet grooming has just taken a giant step forward with the newest DVD-based learning system from Melissa Verplank and the Paragon team. Recognized as one of the pet industry's leading authorities on grooming, Melissa has created these new educational DVDs to enhance the learning process for groomers and to complement her book, Notes from the Grooming Table.
We developed the DVDs based on our hands-on training program that we've taught for years at the Paragon School, and we've taught hundreds of people how to become professional pet groomers. But we kept hearing from people that wanted to learn and they couldn't get to us. So we went to the drawing board and we took the Paragon curriculum and literally put it on DVD for those folks at home to learn how to become a professional pet groomer from the comfort of their own home, or as a review for those existing stylists that haven't had an opportunity to get to school. We've done it for you, and you can watch the DVDs and learn the same curriculum that we've taught for years very successfully.
The importance of canine anatomy cannot be overstated. Grooming techniques are explained and beautifully illustrated with a detailed instruction to properly evaluate the structure of the dog.
So topographical anatomy is a very important component to learning how to groom a pet so that we can communicate to one another. This is Morgan. And what we've done is we've gone ahead and painted Morgan up so that you could actually see the real bones, how they lay in on her body. And when we're grooming dogs, what we're using as reference points are the bones and also the muscle structure on the dog. We developed this training with a team of really fabulous stylists. Not only are they award-winning stylists, but they're all certified master groomers. And it was so much fun to be able to work together with them to develop this program for you.
Correct tool selection can be overwhelming. Melissa guides the learner through the selection, skill development, and care of all grooming tools and supplies.
And what you're really doing is when you work through a coat, you're trapping a small amount of hair between your thumb and the knife and just pulling it. It's actually pulling out the dead coat. We really realized that there was not enough out there on safety. And so when we talk to you about tools, about how to run your scissors, how to work with your brushes, how to maneuver the clippers over the pet's body, we always focus on the safety aspect of it. How are you going to take an animal from a pet owner and not get bit? These are all fundamental things that we just weren't seeing in any of the other DVDs. So we made sure that in every DVD we focused on that safety aspect. Now when you're bringing in a smaller dog to the grooming table, notice how I'm hanging on to Toby here. Toby is right up close to my body. I have one hand in between his two front legs right here. I'm also holding the safety lead, which has already been adjusted onto his neck, and I'm holding it somewhat taut so I have control over his head, and I'm just balancing him right on his rib cage, tight next to my body here.
Learning to properly bathe and dry the dog correctly will simplify the entire grooming process.
With the Bathing and Drying series, we take the learner step by step through all the different coat types that are out there. And the bathing and drying process is so critical. It is the foundation of all good grooming. And if a learner cannot master the bath and dry, they can't go on to the upper levels of trimming and styling. And all of the coat types that we work with are mirrored in my book, Notes from the Grooming Table. So it's a beautiful parallel. They absolutely take you step by step through the entire process.
Visual reinforcement using detailed instruction and graphics allows the student to retain knowledge and progress faster.
The confidence level is through the roof. I mean, they come right in, they can remember what's on the DVDs, they're familiar with it, they're happy with the information. So when we were able to give them those DVDs, they could watch it, they could do all those things. When they got out onto the floor, it was like that, and they got it.
I learned a lot about canine anatomy, tools, and grooming different dogs by coat type. I felt like when I finished the DVD series, I was well prepared to go into the grooming salon and really get started with my advanced training.
Our professional video team used multiple cameras on all of the shoots, and the detail, it was absolutely amazing. When we do live demos, there is no way that a student could see what we're able to show on these DVDs. It's absolutely fabulous.
These DVDs can be ordered according to the needs of the new student or salon owner. Whether bundled or purchased individually, Paragon will customize a package for you. This series will show you and your staff all the tricks of the trade and technical know-how to be the best styling professional you can be.